want to pop in and show y'all my outfit of the day. I just have on this shirt I got from Shein, whatever. My mirror is dirty. I got on these black pants that I got from Target. And yeah, that's pretty much the outfit of today. Super cute. I have to put on my shoes. But yeah, I just want to pop in, show you guys that. It's so cute. I've been wanting to wear these shirts for the longest, so yes. I'll be back though to talk more.
Yeah, it's all I want us to be. Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanna to, so come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When in need, when in love, be. 'Cause you're the one for me. This can be an undercover romance, 'cause I feel that I'm the type of girl you should give a chance. Taste and see how good it can be.
Basically fish and fries. You don't want fried shrimp? You say you probably get what? Okay, y'all, I just want to pop in and say hey, y'all, because I didn't get on here earlier. Baby and I just got back from dinner. We went to a place called McCormick and Smicks. It's a seafood restaurant. It was so good. So yeah, I wanted to just pop in on you guys and say hey. This vlog will probably go up maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. I don't know. I probably don't have enough footage for it to go up tomorrow, so we'll see, y'all. But yes, I just want to pop in. I did finish editing my other videos, so I have scheduled those to go up this week, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you have your post notifications on so you know every time I post. So yeah, but yeah, we're about to just chill out. Like I said, we just got in the house. We literally just walked in the house a few minutes ago, so I'm about to get myself together. Can y'all see? Okay, my camera has some kind of weird little notification on it. But anyways, yes, I just wanted to get on here because I'm like, I forgot to get on here earlier after I put that clip in of my outfit and stuff. So yes, I want to come on here before I chill out. So yeah, I'll probably be back later on. Yeah, I probably will be back later on tonight. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I am about to go to the store really quickly. I want to make some homemade cookies tonight, so I just have to get a few of the ingredients that I don't have at home. So I don't feel like going to the store, but I was like, if I don't go now, I know I'm not going to want to go later. So yes, I just wanted to pop in and talk to y'all then. Talk to y'all before I pulled off and going to the store. I already cooked dinner. I cooked dinner pretty early because I wanted to just get it out the way. And you know, when you start cooking, it get hot. So I made, as y'all probably see that clip before this clip, but I made baked barbecue chicken, macaroni and cheese. I made some mustard greens with smoked turkey legs or turkey necks. I don't know, forget what it was. And I made some hot water cornbread, and that was it. And we already ate, and I already fixed babe's lunch for tomorrow. So yes, I like to, on Sundays I like to cook and be done. I don't like to be in the kitchen all day. Well, on any given day, I don't like to be in the kitchen all day cooking over a hot stove. That's just not what I do. But anyway, I just wanted to pop in. Like I said, I'm about to go to the store really quick. I need to go to the dollar store too and grab some things out of the dollar store. So yeah, I will talk to y'all probably once I get in the store. Bye. All right, y'all, I just came out of Family Dollar. I went to Publix first because some stuff I had to get out of there. Not a lot, just some stuff for the cookies. I went to Family Dollar. I was like, okay, I'm going to Family Dollar just to pick up, this air got it on high because it's like 91 degrees hot. I go in Family Dollar. No, first I go in the dollar store. I'm like, okay, let me see if Dollar Tree has, the stuff that I'm looking for. So go in Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree didn't have nothing I was looking for. I got some stuff, but it wasn't really stuff I was looking for. And then I was like, I'll come to Family Dollar. I went to Family Dollar. Still forgot the stuff that I went to Family Dollar. I went to get some Tylenol. And what else was I looking for in Family Dollar? Tylenol, and it was something else. I can't remember. Anyway, whatever it was, they didn't have it. So I'm just like, these stores don't be having nothing. Like, they shelves be empty. It'd be a whole bunch of boxes in the aisles with products that should be on the shelves. It's just like, it's kind of ridiculous. Like, I don't know what be going on. Last time I went to Dollar General, this man gonna tell me they don't got no bags. I'm like, how you don't have bags? Like, they ain't have no bags, so you basically have to take your stuff out either in your hand or in the shopping cart and just put it in your car. Like, how do y'all not have stuff? Like, aren't these like the same company? Like, they putting up all these Dollar Generals everywhere and none of them have nothing. I should just went to Target. I bet Target would have had everything I needed, but I just didn't feel like driving to Target, so I went what was closest to me. So yeah, I don't feel like stopping again. I'm about to go home because I'm hot and I'm annoyed that they didn't have the stuff that I needed. It's 7 o'clock. It does not feel like it's 7 o'clock. This vlog probably will go up tomorrow. I don't know. I haven't even started editing it yet, so who knows? We'll see. But about to head home. Just to give y'all an update. I didn't film in the store because they didn't have nothing to film. So I'll probably chat with you guys when I get back home and I make these cookies. Bye. Sunday dinner, macaroni and cheese. I did some mustard greens with smoked turkey, some barbecue chicken thighs, and I'm making some Johnny cakes, which is basically just like fried cornbread. Yeah. Alright, so I just fixed babe's plate, and that is the finished product.
You got one of those plastic cups?
No, I think we gotta get some.